And here I am now walking to the bird hide at Kenfig Pool Nature Reserve. Trying to capture some birds. Oops. And the wind. And here we go. Down towards the edge of Kenfig Pool. Oh, that's nice. And here we are again at the edge of Kenfig Pool, where all the reeds grow. And you can hear seagulls in the distance. And here we are continuing now onto the bird hide. Lots of piles of wood there. Quite a mystery. You can actually hear the wind blowing in the trees here because it's quite windy today. Some remnants of summer flowers, trees, which are beautiful. And as we keep going here, I really like the shadows on the ground. And here we are with the bird hide. Okay. It's a memorial to a Graham death. Locking the door, and here we are. I'm the only one here, but there's a really gorgeous view of Kenfig Pool from here. If I zoom in, there are quite a few birds here, and the pool is very high at the moment. I actually really love the shapes of the water in amongst the reeds, creating lines. I will take some photos of this in a moment. And here we are. There's a sort of a birdhouse there. It's actually quite dark in here. Okay, I'm now going to take some close-up photographs of the pool.